Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, today in this video we are going to discuss about different types of LCD LED backlight driver board used in up to 22 inches LED LCD TVs. See friends, this is the first one. We can use this universal backlight driver board for different types of LCD and LED TVs. Here in this universal LED LCD backlight driver board, here the input VCC is 12 volt. We can use this universal backlight driver board up to 24 inches LED TV. Here input VCC is 12 volt and the output voltage ranges from 10 volt to 26 volt. We can use this universal LED backlight driver board. See friends, this is another one. This universal backlight driver board is only for LCD TVs. You can use old model LCD TV. This universal backlight driver board is useful for old model LCD TVs up to 22 inches. See, here the input VCC and the output VCC ranges from 12 volt and the output VCC is 10 to 30 volt. Along with these types of universal backlight driver board, we get the sockets and connection strips for installing this universal board. This is the third one. See friends, gold 23 ES 5G, this is the model number. It is also suitable for both LED and LCD TVs up to 22 inches. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. This video is just only for educational purpose only. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.